In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently get rid of QuickBooks Advertisement pop-ups. If you're tired of seeing promotional pop-up messages appear while you're trying to work, this quick setting change can help make QuickBooks feel a lot less distracting. The good news is that you don't need to install anything, change any advanced settings, or go through a complicated process. Everything can be done directly inside QuickBooks in just a few moments. To begin, open QuickBooks and look at the top menu bar. From there, click on Edit. This menu contains a variety of program settings, and it's where you'll find the option we need for this adjustment. Once the Edit menu opens, select Preferences. This will bring up the Preferences window, which is where QuickBooks lets you control many of the program's general behaviors and notifications. If you've never opened this area before, don't worry. You only need one simple setting for this tutorial. Inside the Preferences window, go to the General tab. This section handles some of the more basic QuickBooks options, including certain message and display settings. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct tab before moving on, since the option you need is located there. Now look for the setting labeled Turn Off Pop-up Messages for Products and Services. When you find it, click that option to enable it. This is the key step that tells QuickBooks to stop showing those advertisement-style pop-ups related to products and services. If those messages have been interrupting your workflow, this setting should help create a cleaner and more focused experience while you use the software. After selecting that option, click OK to save your changes. That confirms the setting and applies it going forward. In many cases, the change takes effect right away, so you should no longer see those promotional pop-ups appear the way they did before. And that's it. That's the full process for turning off QuickBooks Advertisement pop-ups permanently through the built-in preferences. It's a very small change, but it can make a big difference if you use QuickBooks regularly and want fewer interruptions on screen. If you're following along, just make sure you save the setting before closing the window, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps make your QuickBooks experience a little smoother and less cluttered.